This doesn't make any sense.
For several months now, Matthew Tartoria's mother has been his focus.
This is Mama. Her name is Socorro. Her nickname was Suki.
Trying to get her the best possible care.
She grew up in San Jose, California. She is one of 8.
Things haven't gone the way he pictured.
If the point is to help, then this doesn't make sense.
Socorro Tartoria had been battling cancer when an injury in September sent her to the hospital.
And as she was just standing, her femur snapped and she fell to the ground.
At the hospital, he says things just got worse. Worried about the treatment she was getting there, he tried to file a complaint, which also turned out to be tough.
No one knew, no one could help.
You could say it was fate that led him to Carol Herman. That's the name of her organization, short for Foundation Aiding the Elderly.
I have filed many, hundreds of complaints against acute hospitals in this state,
including against this very same hospital. Complaints the California Department of Public Health, or CDPH, investigated. But in a letter, the agency told Matthew his allegations didn't fall within its limited jurisdiction.
Matthew sent me the kiss-off letter from the state of California, which I was appalled. They are the ones that go in there and investigate complaints.
In fact, that's what CDPH told us themselves in an email back in November. CDPH is the appropriate department.
So why did CDPH tell Matthew to have someone else investigate? We asked, and now they say there actually are exceptions. They now say if an accrediting organization like the Joint Commission grants a hospital, quote, deemed status, then they want that organization to investigate low or medium priority cases.
To find a hospital status, CDPH sent us to its website. There we found the hospital in question with a complaint button, and it says not deemed. Turns out the website they referred us to is wrong. We will update our CalHealth Find database to correctly note this hospital status as a deemed facility, CDPH later said.
I had started calling every single organization I could.
Ultimately, he had to go through a federal agency, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, or CMS, which then enlisted the state, or CDPH, to investigate on its behalf. We aren't naming the hospital because the agency said it couldn't validate the complaint allegation.
She raised us personally. Dad was always working.
Not the answer Matthew was picturing, but an answer nonetheless after a lot of effort on his part.
We're a team. That's what me and Mama always said.
All while witnessing his mother's condition deteriorate.
Here's Mama, right here.
At 60 years old, Socorro died last December.
The 16th. Yeah, in the hospital.
Still, her life has left a lasting impression on those close to her.
She only ever exuded happiness and positivity.
Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 investigates.
Well, CDPH says its process to refer some complaints elsewhere follows federal guidelines, and it comes after, quote, additional oversight from the feds over the last 3 years because CDPH had to clear a backlog of complaints. And a few days ago, CDPH corrected the mistake that we saw on its website, and the agency says that it stands by the fact that the website is still the best resource for those who are filing complaints.